Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate your EV charging history export from ChargePoint, complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate your EV charging history export from ChargePoint, begin by logging into your ChargePoint account on their official website. Navigate to the My Account section found in the top right corner of the homepage. Once in your account, look for the Charging History tab on the left sidebar. Click on the Charging History tab to access your charging sessions. You will see a list of your past charging sessions. Locate the option to export your charging history. Select the appropriate date range for your export. Click the Export button to generate the file of your charging history. The system will prepare your export, which may take a few moments. Once ready, download the file to your device. To authenticate your charging history, open the exported file. Check for any discrepancies or errors within the data. Next, cross-reference your charging sessions with your ChargePoint app for accuracy. If you have receipts or confirmations from your charging sessions, gather those as well. Make sure the dates and amounts match the information in your exported file. For further verification, you might want to check your email for any ChargePoint transaction notifications. If all information aligns correctly, your charging history is authenticated. If you find any inconsistencies, note them down for further investigation. Contact ChargePoint support if you need assistance in resolving discrepancies. Keep a record of your successful authentication process for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.